Welcome to the BFC Publications podcast. Today we have a truly special guest, a life coach, whose book The Power of First Impressions is transforming how we think about connections, career success, and personal growth. She reveals everything about how you can make every moment count. She isn't just an author, but also the founder of Winning Life. Welcome, Dr. Christina.
Thank you so much.
So, how are you doing? How have you been?
I've been good. My book has been really appreciated in the very first week. So I'm truly happy and grateful to the Almighty and to all the ambitious, beautiful readers who are enjoying the book.
So we all keep talking about first impressions and how it's important. So what do you think? How do people make this, snap judgment?
Snap judgments are the things which are there ingrained in our minds, because science also says that within a few seconds of we meeting other people, what we do is, without us knowing, we judge them.
So you are also the founder of A Winning Life. Will you tell our audience a little about it?
As the name itself suggests, I want people to lead a winning, victorious life.
So do you have any message for our audience?
My message to the audience would be that your presence is very important. Keep working on it.
Welcome to the BFC Publications podcast. Today we have a truly special guest, a life coach, whose book The Power of First Impressions is transforming how we think about connections, career success, and personal growth. She reveals everything about how you can make every moment count. She isn't just an author, but also the founder of Winning Life. Welcome, Dr. Christina.
Thank you so much.
So, how are you doing? How have you been?
I've been good. My book has been really appreciated in the very first week. So I'm truly happy and grateful to the Almighty and to all the ambitious, beautiful readers who are enjoying the book.
Yeah, we are happy for that. Actually, we saw your post and it's really going very good.
Yes. In just few hours, it got a lot of shares, likes, and views have already reaching million. So It's really overwhelming response of the readers. The readers actually are very much positive, I think, because they want to learn about first impressions, because they know the importance.
So we all keep talking about first impressions and how it's important. So what do you think? How do people make this, snap judgment? So how do you...
Snap judgments actually, they have been ingrained in us. Like snap judgments, scientifically, if also we see that snap judgments are the things which are there ingrained in our minds, because science also says that within a few seconds of we meeting other people, what we do is, without us knowing, we judge them, right? पहले ही जैसे कोई आता है तो हमारे दिमाग में उसको जैसे ही हम देखते हैं एक पिक्चर उसकी बन जाती है, whether we are accepting the person or we are not. Right? It has been scientifically proved that this snap judgment takes place because of the working of our brain. ठीक है, हमारा brain इस तरह से काम करता है that within a fraction of seconds we decide whether this person is good enough, not good, are we going to greet them, not going to greet them. So this is how our brain works. So we can't do much about it. बहुत ज़्यादा हम दूसरों के judgment को handle नहीं कर सकते. But how we present ourselves is in our hands.
Right, true. So I guess अब हम बहुत बारी लोगों को उनके अपीयरेंस से जज कर लेते हैं. So I think वो that makes a difference.
Exactly. सिर्फ जज हम अपीयरेंस से ही जज नहीं करते. Actually, the moment we see somebody, it is their presence, moreover the body language, the posture the person is carrying, and the tone of voice.
Right.
Scientifically, अगर हम इसको break down करें तो ये तीन चीज़ें हैं जो सबसे ज़्यादा असर डालती है हमारे फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशंस पे. लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू अबाउट अ वीडियो विच वॉज शोन इन प्रिंसटन यूनिवर्सिटी टू सर्टेन पीपल, अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, और उन लोगों को दिखाया गया कि भाई ये इलेक्शंस होने वाले हैं और ये कैंडिडेट्स हैं. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ जस्ट अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स वीडियो, those people predicted the result of the elections 70% in the right manner. 70% उन्होंने करेक्ट गेस करा कि कौन विनर होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि बॉडी लैंग्वेज से वो एग्जिबिट हो जाता है कि हाँ हम इसे पसंद करेंगे. सो body language, presence, and your tone, how
Right.
you talk, your voice. So that matters.
All right, yeah, that makes sense. So you are also the founder of A Winning Life. Will you tell our audience a little about it?
Janvi, Winning Life is my initiative. It is actually what I may say, it is my purpose to render things which I have taken from this world. ठीक है, आप एक एज तक आते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हैं और फिर आपकी टर्न आती है टू रिटर्न बैक. आई थिंक विनिंग लाइफ इन अ फॉर्म इज दैट initiative of mine. Through all the talents which I have, as the name itself suggests, I want people to lead a winning, victorious life. तो जानवी, हर किसी में भी कुछ ना कुछ स्पेशल है. हम सब किसी ना किसी चीज़ के लिए बने हैं. टू नो दैट, to improve upon that, and to live a life which gives us satisfaction is the motto of a winning life.
All right, okay. So, can you share any personal experience wherein, you know, first impression actually changed the course of relationship or it made a difference in your career?
In my career, yes. In my career, first impressions have always played a major role. And that is the reason why I have taken up this as my book. Because मेरे पास लास्ट, अगर मैं अपने करियर की बात करूँ, तो आई हैड 2 गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स. दोनों फर्स्ट टर्म में मैंने निकाले हैं. मतलब पहले आपने एग्ज़ाम दिया, पहले इंटरव्यू में आई हैव क्लियर 2 गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स. आई एम एट प्रेजेंट एज एन असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर. सो I will talk about the first time when I entered the room where it was a government job. It was actually KV, Kendriya Vidyalaya, if you know it, right? So, when I entered, there were 9 people sitting. And as we know that government jobs में आपका resume बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं डालता है, आपका aptitude बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं डालता है, क्योंकि जब आप इंटरव्यू पे पहुँचते हैं तो ऑलरेडी बाकी लोग भी उसी aptitude के होते हैं, more or less 1-2 मार्क्स से आगे पीछे होते हैं. So, it is actually your presence. So I would like to convey this very strongly, that take my word on this, that like this is due to my experience also, and what I have gathered, ki your resume is actually not which lands you to the job. When I entered that room, I was standing and I greeted them. I entered. 3 things I would like all to know, that when you enter somewhere, I thought that, okay, I belong here. Okay. I own this room. It is not that I'm over here going to be hurled by other people. No, I thought that this is my place.
Right.
It is my time. And the second thing is, when I introduced myself, I was very clear. I maintained eye contact.
Okay.
And those 3 things worked very well for me. And by the time the interviewers asked me to sit, उनके बोलने के तरीके से मुझे पता चल गया था, they are quite impressed.
All right, okay. That's actually good. Something that we all should learn.
Yeah.
I'd like to share one experience as well. Back in school, we were all asked to, you know, write an article, and I wrote an article on first impression isn't always the last impression. तो हमें ये topic दिया नहीं गया था. We were asked कि ठीक है, अपने हिसाब से choose कर लो, but then present something. Luckily, I won a prize for it. So, what do you think about this?
First of all, congratulations. You wrote an essay and for which you got a prize even. And see, what you chose is absolutely right. That first impression is not the last impression. Actually, it is a paradox, Janvi. Paradox क्यों है? क्योंकि first impression may not be the last impression. It can be changed. But your first impression takes 8 encounters with the same person and the positive encounters for the same person to actually get away with that first poor impression. Right. आपका जो एक खराब हुआ impression है, उसको जो है 8 बार आपको सेम इंसान के साथ मिलना पड़ेगा और उसको आपको अच्छे impression में बदलना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आपका वो first impression जो है subdue हो जाएगा और आपका नया impression बन पाएगा. But जानवी, टू आस्क यू द ट्रूथ, या प्रैक्टिकली हम लोग कितनी बार 8 बार एक ही इंसान से मिलते हैं? हार्डली एनी टाइम, राइट? इन पर्सनल रिलेशंस वी मे, बट इन प्रोफेशनल लाइफ वी डोंट मीट पीपल 8 times. So why to gamble and spoil the first one and then start bringing up the next 8? Because see, first impression is not only an impression, it is actually we are etching a memory in somebody's heart and mind. So it needs to be good. We should try our best to crack the first impression.
Clearly. So, why do you think humans judge way too quickly?
See, again, science comes in question. here humans have this tendency, और एक्चुअली ह्यूमन ब्रेन जो है ट्रेंड इस तरीके से है कि वो सर्वाइवल मोड में चलता है. आवर ब्रेन इज़ एक्चुअली ट्रेंड टू सेवगार्ड अस. वो जैसे ही किसी को देखता है, हमें या तो फ्रेंड नज़र आता है या तो फो, यानी या तो हमें दुश्मन नज़र आ रहा है या हमें दोस्त नज़र आ रहा है. तो क्योंकि हमारा ब्रेन सर्वाइवल पे ही काम कर रहा है, तो यहाँ पे जो है हमारी इंस्टिंक्ट ऐसी बन जाती है. एंड दैट इज़ वाई फर्स्ट इंप्रेशंस आर, और स्नैप जजमेंट्स और क्विक जजमेंट्स आर ऑलवेज सीन. ओके, एक्चुअली ये हमारा चला तो था एंसेस्ट्रल टाइम से, जब हम बहुत, हमारे एंसेस्टर्स जो हैं जंगलों में रहा करते थे, दे हैड दिस स्ट्रगल टू सर्वाइव, बट द ब्रेन हैज़ पिक्ड अप इट सो स्ट्रांगली दैट टुडे ऑल्सो we start judging people in the moments, the very first moments when we see them. This ये जो हमारा first impressions या judging people in a fraction of seconds, ये आज के modern boardrooms में भी हमें नज़र आता है, हर जगह पे है ये.
Very true, agree. So I've not read, actually I've heard a lot about halo effect. So what is it actually?
Okay, halo effect again is a part of first impressions. It create a certain type of first impression. Halo effect actually एक psychological term है. अब कैसे है, जैसे हम लोग देखते हैं, आपने देखा होगा कोई डिवाइन पिक्चर्स होती हैं भगवान की, उसके पीछे एक हैलो बना रहता है, राइट? सो व्हाट डू वी डू इज व्हेन वी कम अक्रॉस समबडी, वी जज देम. अगर हमारा इम्प्रेशन, जैसे हम मान लीजिए हम मिले हैं, मेरा इम्प्रेशन आपके ऊपर एक अप्रोचेबल इंसान का, एक हंसमुख इंसान का पड़ा है, तो अगर मैं कुछ बाद में गलती भी कर दूं तो आप उसको ओवरलुक कर दोगे. That is human tendency.
I am glad I did that.
That is the halo effect. Okay, अगर कोई इंसान कितना भी अच्छा हो, लेकिन फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन उसका आपके ऊपर खराब हो, या आपको लगे अच्छी वाइब्स नहीं है, तो वो गलती ना भी करे, आपको उसमें गलती नजर आने लगेगी. That is the halo effect. Okay. It is actually first impression, you can say, Janvi, is like a candle light. When you light it, it is for a moment, but it glows. And the glow actually reflects to everything which follows. ठीक है, एक कैंडल की तरीके से है, तो हमारी आने वाली चीज़ों को भी, हमारे फ्यूचर को भी अफेक्ट करता है. इट इज़ एक्चुअली सेटिंग ऑफ स्टेज फॉर अस टू हैव अ बेटर परफॉर्मेंस फॉर आवर लाइफ.
सो हाउ कैन यू यूज इट टू आवर एडवांटेज?
First impressions, it can be used anywhere, whether you take it professionally, whether you take it personally, whether you take for your own confidence. If you crack the first impression, let me ask you this, कि आप जब भी फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन अगर आपका अच्छा पड़ गया, या आपने कहीं किसी रूम में एंटर किया और आपको पता चल गया कि हाँ, पीपल आर एक्चुअली विद मी, राइट? तो आप क्या सोचते हो? आपका एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस ऊपर चला जाता है, राइट?
हाँ, he did something right.
हर चीज़ पॉजिटिव होने लगती है, और जब आप पॉजिटिवली चीज़ों को हैंडल करते हो, तो एक्चुअली एट द एंड ऑफ द डे पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स भी आते हैं. तो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ईदर टेक्स यू to the staircase high above, or it can make you falter down. तो फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन चाहे हमारी पर्सनल लाइफ में हो, चाहे हमारे अपने रिलेशंस में हो, चाहे मान लीजिए आप किसी से मिल रहे हैं, अ फ्रेंड, वो आपका फ्रेंड रहेगा या नहीं रहेगा. यू वांट समबडी टू बी योर फ्रेंड बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज़ टू वेरी एम्बिशियस, दे आर टू हार्ड वर्किंग, कुछ भी इस तरीके का आपको बहुत पसंद है उनमें, लेकिन आपका इंप्रेशन उनके ऊपर अगर अच्छा नहीं पड़ा, तो दे विल नेवर बी योर फ्रेंड. प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में भी, चाहे इंटरव्यूज़ हों, चाहे आप किसी से कनेक्शन स्टैब्लिश करना चाहते हो, आप नेटवर्क करना चाहते हो, किसी को अपना क्लाइंट बनाना चाहते हो, ऑलवेज you need to click with them first. And why that click happens? Because the person judges you, and the person judges you majorly on your trustability. क्या मैं इस पे विश्वास कर सकता हूँ? अगर आपको लगेगा कि कर सकता है, तो वो आपके साथ बिजनेस में भी आगे बढ़ेगा, वो आपके साथ पर्सनल रिलेशंस में भी आगे बढ़ेगा, राइट?
What role does body language play if you compare it with, words? मैं बोल तो बहुत अच्छी बातें रही हूँ, एंड सो हाउ आर यू एक्चुअली गोइंग टू जज? हाँ ठीक है यार, बातें तो अच्छी कर रही है, पर इंसान भी ठीक है या नहीं, सो हाउ डू यू जज दैट पर्सन?
इसी पे मैंने अपनी बुक में एक लाइन लिखी है. ओके, सो एक रिसर्च हुई थी, मेहराबियन रिसर्च है उसका नाम, एंड सपोर्टिंग दैट रिसर्च देयर आर मेनी अदर्स, बट मेहराबियन रिसर्च क्या बताता है कि हमारा जो वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन होता है, हाउ वी कम्युनिकेट विद अदर्स, इट एक्चुअली इम्पैक्ट्स ओनली द 7% ऑफ ऑल आर इम्प्रेशन. सिर्फ 7%. द टोन ऑफ आर वॉइस, कि हम कैसे बात करते हैं, हमारी वॉइस कैसी है, वो बाकी के 38% को डिसाइड करता है. और बिना बात करें आपकी सिर्फ जो प्रेजेंस होती है, वो 55% डिसाइड करती है कि सामने वाला आपके बारे में क्या सोचेगा.
Okay.
तो दैट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बॉडी लैंग्वेज.
I think instinct भी इस काम में instinct का भी कुछ प्ले होता है कि हाँ ठीक है, you guess कि नहीं ठीक है, the person is right or it isn't.
Yes, truly, it is the instinct. Actually, if we say that first impressions are actually the survival toolkit,
Yeah,
but they are dressed in intuition.
makes sense. That makes sense. So हम सभी इंटरव्यूज देने जाते हैं, किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे तो दिया होगा. What do you think people make mistakes? I mean, what are the common mistakes that people make when they attend an interview or something like that?
बिल्कुल जानवी, इंटरव्यूज़ या कोई भी हाई स्टेक जब सिचुएशन होती है वेर पीपल थिंकिंग दैट ओके नाउ दिस इज़ द प्लेस आई हैव टू परफॉर्म अ लॉट, तो वहाँ क्या होता है, परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है लोगों के ऊपर दैट दे स्टार्ट प्लीजिंग द अदर पर्सन. वो बहुत ज़्यादा अपने ऊपर प्रेशर ले लेते हैं और प्लीज़ करने लगते हैं लोगों को. दे टॉक अ लॉट, दे डोंट स्टैंड इन द प्लेस ऑफ अथॉरिटी. और इन सब चीज़ों से क्या होता है कि दे लूज द ट्रस्ट. One thing I would like to put over here, that see, if somebody wants to buy something from you, first of all they are going to buy your energy, and then they are going to buy your ideas or whatever commodity you are trying to sell them.
Okay.
Right? Like in interviews, you are actually up to them with your skills, and you want to get hired.
Yeah.
So first they need to know that you are authentic. When they will see कि भाई आप trustworthy हो, तब आप कुछ भी उनको दोगे, उनसे बात करोगे, वो आपकी बात समझेंगे. तो the first thing, high stake situations में always be real, be authentic, and then start taking things in a polished manner.
Alright.
But don't lose your authenticity.
Have you seen people transform their lives by making changes in how they appear in front of the people or everything?
Yes, sure. There are many. Like recently, there was this young lady. She used to appear in interviews, and she used to always fail. When she came to us, I talked to her, and I just wanted to check on different things, different criteria. कि भाई इनके साथ problem होती क्या है? So when I was talking to her and just asking her questions, I could gather that whatever she's answering, she's like 100 on 100. Okay, all her answers were correct. Then what is holding her back? It was actually, see, she used to answer, and then she used to have this nervous smile on her face.
All right.
Right? And this nervous smile used to convey to the interviewer कि ये जो है बहुत ज़्यादा convincing नहीं है.
Okay.
She is unsure about herself. So, Janvi, I said na that if a person is going to trust you, then they will buy anything from you, or then they will agree to anything which you are offering. आप सही आंसर दे रहे हो, लेकिन आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज ये कन्वे कर रही है कि आप अनसर्टेन हो. अगर मैं आपको सही चीज़ बताऊं और मेरी बॉडी लैंग्वेज बहुत ऐसी है कि हाँ, और मैं नर्वस हूँ और मेरे आईब्रोज ऐसे क्लेंच कर रहे हैं, तो you will always not trust me, right?
हाँ, like there is something missing. वो रहता है, वो फैक्टर रहता है.
Yes. उनको लगेगा पता नहीं सही बता पा रही है, will she be able to handle the situation? फिर हमको लगा 6-7 मीटिंग्स हमने उनके साथ करे, like sessions करे 1-on-1, and then we got her right, and in the next interview she was hired within 5 minutes.
Okay.
So that is how
That's
body
great,
language, and that
actually.
is how your the way you present yourself. Actually, if I say so, to tell to your audience also, see that if you are actually improving upon your presence, you are enhancing your chances or your possibilities in life to be hired, to be taken. So it's very important.
So you are also you mentioned that you were working in KV.
I was, yes.
So how did you decide to switch?
See, like you always tread to, आप हमेशा उस तरफ जाते रहते हैं, या लाइफ आपको उस तरफ ले जाएगी, आपका इंटरेस्ट उस तरफ होगा जहाँ पे आपका पर्पस है.
Totally.
तो मेरा पर्पस यहाँ था, मैंने काफ़ी टाइम काम किया. In KV also, everything was fine. But then I decided this is the time, now I am at a place where I could go with my initiative, because I also wanted my soul to be quenched with that satisfaction that yes, what I am made for, I am doing that.
Right, right. So how did you switch? मतलब how were your parents supportive of your decision, and how did that happen?
It was very organic. It was
Okay.
very organic. See, first you need to trust in yourself,
Right.
and everybody else will trust.
Okay.
So that is how.
And
When, if your presence talks before you do, you don't have to actually advertise yourself. Okay, your presence itself is going to make the world listen to you. That is how. Whether it is family, whether it is people.
हम सभी डिजिटल एरा में रह रहे हैं, हर कोई अपना फ़ोन पे लगा रहता है. सो डू यू हैव एनी टिप्स और व्हाट डू यू थिंक हाउ कैन पीपल मेक देयर फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन ऑनलाइन?
Online first impressions. See, today we are living in this digital world.
Yeah.
I would like to just break down three things. Like the first thing where you can work on your digital presence is your profile picture.
Okay.
Like आप जिस भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं, सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे, चाहे आप लिंक्डइन पे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे हैं, जहाँ पे भी हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग अपनी पिक्चर को आप लगाइए. प्रोफाइल पिक्चर उससे सूट करती हुई होना चाहिए. लिंक्डइन डिमांड्स अ प्रोफेशनल वन, डू इट देयर. इंस्टाग्राम डिमांड्स अ मोर ऑफ यू वन, तो वो लगाइए. दूसरी चीज़ है कि आपका बायो जो है, प्रोफाइल बायो, इट शुड ऑलवेज टेल वेरी क्लियरली दैट व्हाट यू आर एंड व्हाट यू वांट, right? So that has to be clear. And the third thing is that if you are there on the video, or if you are on a video call, so the first 10 seconds are your handshake. So
Okay.
that has to be very proper. Your introduction needs to be very clear.
Okay.
So we need to be very proper about that, what we speak. If we want to really build a good digital presence, it has to be there.
Right, makes sense. So how do cultural differences impact your first impression?
Yes, that is also there in my book as well, that cultural differences, or you can say cultural awareness, is being respectful to other cultures. है ना? अगर हम कल्चरल अवेयरनेस हमारे पास है तो हम दूसरों के एनवायरनमेंट में ईजिली अडेप्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड अडेप्टेबिलिटी, जानवी, इज एवरी टाइम प्रेज्ड बाय द पीपल यू आर मूविंग इन. इफ आई कम, आई एम अकोमोडेटिव ऑफ यू, यू लाइक मी, दैट इज़ वेरी नेचुरल. So we need to accommodate. हमें अपनी अपनी नहीं करनी चाहिए. That is not the right way if you want to really have good connections.
Right.
A lifelong network, then you should not be doing that. Okay. So these are very important.
ओके, तो आपने कभी अपने सामने ऐसा कुछ रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस देखे हैं जहाँ पे कल्चरल डिफरेंस की वजह से किसी का इंटरव्यू खराब हो गया, या किसी का फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन वाज इम्पैक्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ देयर कल्चरल डिफरेंस?
देखिए, कल्चरल डिफरेंसेस की वजह से बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि लाइक वी आर नॉट वेरी ओपन टू अंडरस्टैंड अदर पीपल. लाइक कंट्री डिफरेंसेस में क्या होता है, लाइक इन इंडिया व्हेन वी स्टेयर एट पीपल फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम, it is not very nice.
Yeah.
In other cultures it might be appreciative, right? But in ours it is not, right? Some people in their countries, they tend to touch and greet other people, like in ours also. But at other places we don't appreciate that. So the thing is, we need to know the other culture. Where we are going, we need to know them before we enter. Then only we will be respected, and then only we will be welcomed.
All right.
So this cultural awareness, actually we should not treat cultural awareness as courtesy. सिर्फ courtesy नहीं है. Cultural awareness actually हमारी currency है दूसरी जगह पे जाने के लिए.
Makes sense. So how does perceptions shape your first impression?
Perceptions, actually, Janvi, is the lens through which people look at us. Right? It is their perception. And for perception, I would say that we cannot change anybody's thinking, but we could change our own ways and our own story. जो हम अपनी प्रेजेंस से उनको स्टोरी बता रहे हैं वो हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. उनका दिमाग हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन स्टोरी उनको हम देंगे, और ऐसी देंगे कि वो हमारे बारे में अच्छा सोचे. That is our duty. We can't control their thinking, but we can control the story we give them to think upon.
What is the role of authenticity versus performance in making a lasting impression?
Performance and authenticity.
Yeah.
See, authenticity is the soul, and performance is the polish.
Okay.
So both of them go hand in hand. सोल इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट बट पॉलिश इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब हम कोई भी बहुत अच्छी चीज़ बेच रहे हैं या रख रहे हैं, बट अगर उसकी पैकेजिंग अच्छी नहीं है, पीपल विल नॉट नोटिस इट.
Right.
So to first thing is to get noticed, and then only whatever you are carrying, the best of the best. अगर आप नोटिस ही नहीं हो रहे हैं तो फिर आपको कोई पहचानेगा नहीं. So both of it needs to go. You need to be real, but your reality needs to be refined.
Okay.
Okay, and that is when your authenticity changes into influence.
So, if you could leave our readers with one golden rule regarding first impressions, what would that be?
See, first impressions are something we are making daily. So I would like to give you and the audience the golden rule to first impression, the 6 things, 6 cues, which will be a checklist for every day. Very first thing, that stand tall. Okay, you need to have an open posture when you stand.
Right.
Second thing, you need to have a natural smile when you're meeting first time anybody. Then the third thing is that you need to maintain eye contact. The fourth thing is be very clear about your introduction.
Right.
Then you need to maintain a friendly tone, approachable. If not friendly, then approachable tone. And lastly, it would be that you need to have a positive energy around you.
Right.
Always be positive about yourself, about the environment, the people you are meeting. And that way.
Yeah, that makes a difference actually. So, do you have any message for our audience?
My message to the audience would be that your presence is very important. Keep working on it. Because when your presence speaks before you do, the world listens.
That's actually true, yeah. So it was lovely talking to you, and
Same.
really, I mean, I have got to learn a lot of things about first impressions, and honestly, इसके पहले, you know, I always used to feel कि हाँ ठीक है, मतलब first impression isn't always the last impression, और मेरे को तो award मिला था उस चीज़ पे and stuff. But then yeah, that makes a difference. And with that, thank you so much for your work and for attending our podcast. It was really lovely talking to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So if you want to make a difference in your life, grab the book, The Power of First Impressions today. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to BFC Publications podcast.